Good afternoon, and thank you, and wow, I am
Privileged means having special advantages, rights or benefits that are not available to everyone. in हिंदी किसी विशेष स्थिति या विशेष अधिकारों का होना.
good afternoon, and thank you, and wow, I am so privileged to be sharing this afternoon with all of you and these incredibly amazing women that are being honored today. I was born to incredible
Incredible means something that is so extraordinary or amazing that it is difficult to believe. in हिंदी अविश्वनीय.
parents, amazing parents who served as doctors in the Indian Army. I was the firstborn, and as far back as I can remember, I made my parents very proud and happy 99% of the time. Okay, slight exaggerations.
Exaggeration means describing something as larger, better or more extreme than it really is. in हिंदी किसी चीज़ को वास्तविकता से अधिक बड़ा, अच्छा या महत्वपूर्ण बताना.
Achievements are allowed from time to time, don't you think? My brother was born a few years later, and even then, nothing changed for me. We were both given equal opportunities, and I want to emphasize this.
Emphasize means to give special importance or attention to something. in हिंदी जोर देना.
This for you because I don't think a lot of people might understand that being equal might seem very normal. My first experience of the
Glaring means something that is very obvious or noticeable, often in a way that is unpleasant. in हिंदी चमत्कार. Disparity means a great difference or inequality between two things. in हिंदी विभिन्नता.
disparity between boys and girls came at a very, very young age. I grew up in a middle-class family with extremely philanthropic parents who
Philanthropic means showing a desire to help others, especially through charitable action or donation. in हिंदी दानशील.
constantly reminded me and my brother how lucky we were and how giving back to those who were less fortunate was not a choice. It was a way of life. For example, girls were pulled out of school when they hit puberty.
Puberty refers to the period of life when a child body develops into an adult body capable of reproduction. in हिंदी वह अवस्था जब शरीर बालक से वयस्क में बदलता है और प्रजनन क्षमता प्राप्त करता है.
Because they were considered ready for marriage and babies. That's 12 and 13. Let's call this whole experience
Trigger means to cause something to happen or start, often a strong emotional reaction or an event. in हिंदी उत्तेजित करना.
trigger number 1 for me. Fast forward a few years and many, many triggers in between. Like a producer director, for example, early on in my career, I must have been about 18 or 19, telling me that if I didn't agree to the ridiculous terms or painfully low salary in his movie, that he would just replace me. Because girls are replaceable in the entertainment business. That was a memorable one. Made me decide to make myself irreplaceable. About 12 years ago, I came home from set early one day and she was sitting in my library reading a book. And she must have been 8 or 9 years old, and I knew she loved reading. So I asked her, I was like, it's a weekday, why aren't you in school? And she said, oh, I don't go to school anymore. So I went and asked her mother and I said, why isn't she in school? And her mom said that her family couldn't afford to send her and her brothers to school, so they chose the boys. The reason, she would eventually get married and it would be a waste of money. I was complete.
Blown is the past participle of blow, meaning something has been moved by wind or air, or something has exploded or been inflated. in हिंदी हवा से उड़ा हुआ या फटा हुआ.
And it shook me to my core.
Shook is the past tense of shake, meaning to move or cause something to move with short, quick motion. in हिंदी हिलाया.
Eventually, I decided to cover the cost of her education so that she could continue to learn, because education is a basic human right. There's a really, really beautiful quote that I read recently, and I think it's absolutely appropriate to explain what I'm trying to say today. The hand that rocks the cradle, the procreator,
The hand that rocked the cradle refers to the idea that those who care for and raise children have a significant influence on the future. In हिंदी जो पालने को हिलाते हैं वही दुनिया को बनाता है। यह कहावत यह दर्शाती है कि जो लोग बच्चों को पालते हैं उनका समाज और भविष्य पर गहरा प्रभाव होता है।
The mother of tomorrow, a woman, shapes the destiny of civilization.
Civilization refers to the complex societies with organized system, culture and developments in area like government, art and technology. In Hindi सभ्यताएं
Is the tragic irony of fate that a beautiful creation such as a girl child, more than 15 million girls of primary school age will never learn how to read or write compared to 10 million boys. Primary school, it's the beginning of our future. Over the last 11 years, I have witnessed
Witnessed means to have seen or observed an event or situation happen. In Hindi गवाह बनना
firsthand the incredible work that UNICEF does for children around the world, especially victims and survivors of child marriage, displacement, war, sexual violence. But there is still so much work to do. And for me, that is the fuel to my fire. The reason I'm so committed to this cause, and that is where my passion stems from, because I know that a girl's education not just empowers families, but communities and economies. I feel that it's our social responsibility to be a voice for the voiceless, which is why I applaud every woman.
Applaud means to show approval or praise by clapping hands. In Hindi ताली बजाना
In this room for using your platform and your voice, that there is not even one lost generation as long as we are alive. I'd like to thank Variety and all of you for encouraging me and all of us in this room to keep going and fighting on.